The smartphone industry is evolving and so is the accessory market. A few years ago, when you get a new smartphone, you will have most of the accessories you need in the box. However, as of 2026, we are at the point where you will get just the phone unit. If there is anything else in the box, it should be the user guide. Most manufacturers no longer include a phone case or an earpiece in the box.
Here are the top 6 most important smartphone accessories you may need every day, presented by Boss Weber. Remember to subscribe for future tips. Let's start. A portable power bank. Your phone is useless if the battery is dead. This is why technically everybody needs a power bank. For those in countries with a steady power supply, it becomes handy on the go. However, for those in a developing or an underdeveloped region, you probably need a power bank for everyday use. A phone case. Our phones are becoming much more expensive and obviously need more protection. In addition, many flagships and even mid-range smartphones now come with fragile build materials. Many flagship smartphones in the market use a glass rear. The entire body of the phone could be glass, except for the side that could be aluminum. While this build material glass gives the phone a premium appearance, it makes it more fragile.
Screen protector. Some people say a screen protector reduces the touch sensitivity of the touch screen, and others say it gives the phone an ugly look. Nevertheless, you may reconsider your decision of not getting a screen guard after realizing that the display is one of the most important components of a phone. Headphones, earpiece. Music and video lovers would have been wondering where their favorite accessory is on the list. Well, we didn't forget you guys, and your favorite accessory is right here. Since you will most likely not get an earpiece in the box of a smartphone, you need to get one. Whether you choose to go for wired or Bluetooth, it will do the job. In all honesty, even if you do not love music or videos, you may still want to have an earpiece handy. It's important for multitasking, taking a call and doing chores. Selfie stick. For many users, especially those that love capturing the moment, selfie sticks are really very important smartphone accessories. You can be stretching your arms all the time just to take a landscape selfie. Selfie sticks are not really popular anymore, but they are still useful for many users. Unfortunately, some users do not really realize that they need a selfie stick. A selfie stick with a stretch out length of up to 36 inches and retract length of 7 inches is pretty good. It can easily fit into a purse and maybe a pocket. There are so many factors to consider when getting a selfie stick. You have to consider its compatibility with your smartphone. Conclusion. There are many other smartphone accessories like charger heads, charging cable, SD card, phone stands, etc. that could make the list. However, we consider this list as the most important, except for the last item, extra camera lenses, which is not really important in 2026. Which of these smartphone accessories is most important for you? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below.